doom generation. Anticipation. Across the nation. Global devastation. For the doom generation. It's every fucking where. Society is gonna fall. We'll shove your fucking system back up your ass. You've gone too far. We're sick of this crap.
I want you to wonder
hadn't a clue. Intentions of life and taking his due. Alone at night, he ruled the city. Runaways and hookers, he had no pity. Killer loose, bodies were found. The more he murdered, the more he unwound. Ghastly friend, burn for life. Just can't picture you with that knife. Ghastly friend, family man, killing and raping every victim he can. Ghastly friend, what's the reason? Daily life or childhood teasing. Ghastly friend, do we know you well? Outside heaven, inside hell. Didn't think he'd ever get caught, hunting and killing, leaving corpses to rot. One by one, they began to appear. Families in horror, city of fear. This one skinned, that one stabbed. Took 10 years before he was nabbed. To be in control, was it his need? To live or die, playing God, hideous deed. Didn't know why he did it, he said. He just got off a fucking the dead. Born a Catholic, Sunday church he went. Did he lie to himself? Would he repent? Made the news a media event. Sudden celebrity, wrong message sent. Books, movies, the story of his life. He laughed to himself, I owe it to my knife. Sane or insane, wasn't the talk. Would he die or would he walk?
too. You're an honest believer and you can't deceive it, and it's just you'll run you through. You always hesitating with your verbal masturbating, and it's how it's gonna pass you by. Slip of the tongue, the song that you've sung, and you might get a needle in your eye.
Squeal like a pig, bitch! Suck my ass with a Burger King straw. On my dingleberries you will gnaw. Don't get my pubic hair stuck in your teeth, or I've got a sticky fart and smell your leaf. Screaming, big fucker from hell. That's what I am, bitch. Screaming, big fucker from hell. My dick has no conscience. Lick my hair, bud, lousy slut, or I'll stick my fist up your cunt. You look to me like you need a reaming. Bend over, bitch, start your screaming, screaming. Big fucker from hell. That's what I am, bitch, screaming. Big fucker from hell. My dick has no conscience. Smells worse than a pile of shit. I got the urge to glam at it. I'm too good, I think I'm gonna piss in your hair and fuck you good with your legs in the air. Screaming, big fucker from hell. That's what I am, bitch. Screaming, big fucker from hell. My dick has no conscience. I hate you, baby, but I love to fuck ya. spare the night, giving little fight. Take life is a trap, waiting to die, putting up with this crap. Can't think it much more, losing control. Put a gun in my mouth and blow a new